All right. Next up is this Ace 38mm brass padlock, 5 pins, security pins, and do not like these locks. Or they're all gritty. It feels like lots of burrs or different things going on in them, and it is just hard to get anything going. Almost as hard as this autofocus, messing everything up. It's under 4. There's 5. Oh, I think I overset everything. Nope. That was 3. 2. Yeah, I think I overset a bunch of stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I just seeded something. 5. That's why I hate these locks. They're not. It's not serrated. It's just terrible. Rub on everything. All right, so that's. If I can get this pin 1. The other thing. It's 1. I've got to get. And I just rubbed on 3 and got it, but it's not set. What else do I have to set? 2. Oh, come on. Not 1, not 2. I lost the false set. Maybe by oversetting everything. Oh, nope, I just missed 1. Nope. Yeah, overset something. Another thing about these locks is they take so much pressure to set a pin. And you get to a certain point, there we go, and doesn't feel like anything's happening. Like this one here, which you can't see because it's out of focus. I'll get a better camera, I'm sorry folks. This one, it just sticks. This is pin 1. Nothing happens, so I'm going to switch and use a thicker multi-pick. And see, yeah, here we go. But it's just gritty and tough, and not even that, it's like burrs, and it's hard to see, but all these little bronze flakes and things fall out. You can't even see them, but they're all over here, and it's from... There we go, stuff. Can you see that? That. And that. All that. Well, you can't even see it. It's barely in frame. But all of this fell out of the lock. And that's one reason I don't like these locks. All right, well that's that. It's the Ace 38mm with who knows what going on inside and terrible autofocus, and I apologize for that. All right, thanks.